1953 Chevrolet 210. Done really well all the way throughout. All the glass is in great shape. Rims, new tires, disc brakes. The tires are like new, all matching, and stagger setup. But look, it's just all metal. Very nice and healthy. Just perfect. Beautiful all the way through, even just inside here. Now that is for your turn signal there. We're not backing up. Maybe going back to the future. Someone did an awesome job. They spent a lot of money on this, and you're getting a great deal with this one for sure. This thing is ready to go. ClassicCarAddict.com. Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. Got this brand new addiction for you. This is a 1953 Chevrolet Club Coupe. It's the last year of the Club Coupe, and it's gone through a full frame-off restoration. It's got a Heights independent front suspension, and it's got the woodland green top. It matches through the interior, and you can just see, we'll go through in the video and show you everything and how high a quality this build is. It's got a 350 4-barrel, it's got AC, it's got disc brakes. Thing is ready to go. What we're gonna do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. 1953 Chevrolet 210. It's got a nice V8 in it. We got disc brakes on the front. And then if you just look at how well they did all the paint and the trim, it is nice and bright. And that paint is really, so surf green. And then this is woodard green, and I'll have to make sure that that is right, but I know it is surf green, woodland green, that's what it is. Woodland green for the top, and then surf green. But you just see it is done really well all the way throughout. All the glass is in great shape. This is an Arizona car, so it might have a few little small rock chips, but nothing crazy on it. And there's just a little bit right here. I didn't want to rub on it, but it looks like it's gonna come out. It is gonna come out, I think, there. So, I mean, this thing is almost not flawless, but definitely near flawless. It is definitely some really nice thick paint, nice thick clear. They did a great job on this one. If you're looking for a 53 210, and you can just tell from even just how they did the inside, everything was taken apart on this, and the undercarriage is in just as good a shape. You see just a few little rock chips, but again, it's Arizona. It's going to be expected all throughout with all of that. There's nothing crazy. You might have a few little bugs, but other than that, there's no big cracks. You can see I got really close to see. There's a few, again, small little rock chips, but there's rocks on the side of the road, not grass. We can see right in here, we got new rims, new tires, disc brakes, BF good wrench, and that is a 215/60/15 on the front with a little bit of stagger on the rear. And look at that, I could not find any rust or rot. This is all metal all the way through. I mean, all the way through with that. That's all metal. That's all metal. I love that. You can see see even through here, especially when we get on the undercarriage. At the end of this video, I'll show you as well. But tires all in good tread, all the good stuff. 235, 70, 15 on the rear for a little bit of stagger. Do have a drum on the rear. Nice sound that it's got. Again, all the rims are in really good shape. Tires are like new, all matching and stagger setup. But look, it's just all metal. I love that. All metal, just all the way through. And you can see, yeah, really nice. And then let's show you here in the engine bay. And you see, look, just in great shape with this. So we do have AC, optima battery, all the good stuff. All through here, thing runs out so nice. Now it does not have power steering, but it is set up and nice and healthy. Very nice and healthy, and it's a nice warm day today. So it is really staying cool with that. Now let's get into the interior. Look at that, just perfect, beautiful all the way through, even just inside here. Now carpet all in great shape. I love the color combination on this. Look at that, everything's set up nice. That is beautiful here in the back. Even the deck tray there in the rear is in great shape. All the trim all the way through, you can tell, has been painted and not just by spray paint, done the right way. We got dome light is working as well. I mean, seats are just in great shape. Look at that. So all that's working, all good on there. Speedometer does work. Let's get this shut off here. Windows, oh, look at how smooth that is. Oh yeah, you know I always got a problem with windows. This one is nice and smooth. That one is too. Oh yeah, love that. And then here, little now, I'm not sure how that's supposed to work, but we'll get to that. Hey, I'm still newbie on some, so I'm not sure exactly how that works, but let's show you the fitment. Look at that, beautiful. Get into the trunk. Oh, there we go. Just had to jam it in a little bit harder. Look at that. You can tell this was a high-end restoration. That is for sure. You can see that. Yeah, we got some nice speakers here in the rear, all the way through, all in there. That beautifully done. Here, nice and carpeted, double thickness, nice car cover. Spare tires even in great shape. Just everything with that just shows so well. I love that. Look at that. Beautifully done. And that's what you get with your high-end restoration. Now I'm just making sure I got the keys. There we go, look at that. Nice and tight. And then here, all the way through, just beautiful. Now, obviously this has just got a little bit of dirt on it that will clean up, We literally just got this out. It was so clean and so nice. We just wanted to show you directly right now before we even did the pictures. This thing is fully ready to go. We're gonna get the video up for you. Now let's get the rest into this test drive. Go through this window real quick. That is working great there. And that is working good too. Oh yeah. Look at that fitment. Just the way that you want it. Let's get you guys buckled in, ready for the drive. Nice, warm Arizona. It's like 90 degrees already, 95. Let's hop in the drive. Oh yeah. If you're looking for a 53 210 Bel Air, so there's, you know, they had a 150, a 210, and a Bel Air, so that's your 3 different trim levels. This is a 210. Some make 210s and 150s into Bel Airs, but this is just an actual 210. Oh yeah. Oh, thing drives out just amazing. It really is. Look at that. It is nice and tight. Now that is for your turn signal there. We're not backing up. Maybe going back to the future. But those brakes are actually really, really nice. No power steering, but obviously when you're driving, it's like race steering. It's not all over the place, but you can just tell. I mean, this thing, it is nice and tight. Someone did an awesome job. They spent a lot of money on this, and you're getting a great deal with this one for sure. This one does have Alpine in the glove box. If you're looking for a 53, I would definitely get this one quickly because it is nice. I don't always get to go through and just say how nice they are for the price. This is one of those. We've had a few of those come in and they've went so quick just because they are just really high-end restorations that you'd have to pay $30, $40, $50,000 just for the restoration. And some guys out there, oh, you can get a paint job for $5 grand. Yeah, get a paint job for $5 grand and see how it actually is. Not on a classic car. Not when you're dealing with classic cars, because they're just so older. You got metal that's just deteriorated and you have to fix it. If you don't, you're just Bondo skimming it and filling holes. This thing is ready to go. ClassicCarAddict.com. Now remember, we have over 300 photos. We have nationwide transport, online financing, all ClassicCarAddict.com. Like, subscribe, follow us on all the socials. We're here to make sure that you guys see these cars for what they are, whether you're just looking at the different cars that we have or if you're looking to purchase it. We want to make sure that you know exactly what you're getting when it's delivered to you. So remember, like, subscribe, follow us. We appreciate it. Thank you. See you guys on the next one. Undercarriage will be right after this. All right, guys, this is getting under that 1953 Club Coupe. And like I said, this is just an amazing build. Full frame off, rotisserie restoration, full nut and bolt. It's got your front subframe, also has rack and pinion, tubular upper and lower control arms. Thing is just set up right. Disc brakes, and look at this. I mean, the undercarriage, those floor pans, when they're painted like that, it is just perfect. It really is. Got your power disc brakes right there. You got Elderbrock for your turbo mufflers, and then your 10-bolt rear end here in the rear. You also got new fuel tank. I mean, everything under here is all new, and that's why it rides out so well and such high quality. You can just see I mean, look at that. Those floor pans are painted. They're just in amazing, amazing shape. All the frame, everything, it is just the way that you want it. If you're looking for a club coupe, this is for you. That is for sure. ClassicCarAddict.com.